product that we've come to use when specifications ask for. The one thing that we know with any aluminium, it's the BAL ratings when they're 40 or FZ. They need to be a different type of metal than the aluminiums that we use, which is 99% of the time will be good enough. But what we've found is we're able to use is a preformed Colorbond steel, which is now compliant with BAL ratings for 40 and FZ. This product has several shapes, but it's preformed. It's preformed as the shape of your roof would be. There's a couple of variations of it, but this one here is again a hole size of less than 2 millimeters in size. It's got when you get down to that small, it's got a water break in it, so that water break can stop the water from going over the top, because once you get down to very small holes. But this is it's Colorbond steel. It is a product that is made specifically to order, which we have done on a number of occasions, including we've used it in on galvanised roofs, which has been when you can't always use other products to suit. So it's just another product in our range. It's our preformed steel product.